Okay, first half is complete. This book has a lot of chapters, so I do need to go buy more tabs to be able to finish, but this is the finishing product of the first two books, and you see how easy it is to just lift this tab out. Boom. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Lulu here, and I'm back with another video. So today I am doing the highly requested tab video. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'll be tabbing a little bit of this book with the smaller tabs. For the sake of time, I went ahead and pulled it out, but it's these tabs from Walmart, and then for the larger book it'll be these tabs from Walmart. So let's get into it. So for my chapter 1, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start this way just because and then I'm just gonna repeat this as I go. And let me show you the monster. So with this one, I don't tab at the top, I only tab on the sides. But with this one, I make sure I write down my modules before I go ahead and put one on. So I'm gonna start at module 17 just because that's the module that we'll be starting at for this semester. So I'll go ahead and write that out. And these are thicker, so that's page.
Pretty easy, pretty fun, but it is very time consuming. So just make sure you don't got a lot of time, or you got a lot of time on your hands, so I would say.
Okay, first half is complete. This book has a lot of chapters, so I do need to go buy more tabs to be able to finish, but this is the finishing product of the first two books, and you see how easy it is to just lift this tab out. Boom. Chapter 31. Y'all can barely see that because I need a new marker too, but y'all get what I'm saying. Yeah, make it fun. Make it fun.